So today I want to talk to you about a really cool, sleek, modern, stylish product that I have right here, and it is by AE Australia, and they have these really cool, classic, modern designed perfume bottles right here. They are such great quality and they are made from high quality aluminium casings. And what's really cool about these is that you can take them traveling in your handbag wherever you go. They're really great for if you go camping or you go on light trips where you can't take much luggage with you. So they're completely travel friendly. They store 5 ml in each of their reusable perfume casings right here, and they come in 3 really cool, stylish, really sophisticated colors. So I have the gold, the black, and the brown. They are all matte packaging, really cool, really easy to use. All you need to do is twist open the top of your perfume casing and you just pull it out like this. And as you can see, the bottom here just attaches to your regular larger perfume bottle. You just pump it up and down a couple of times and it will fill your perfume up into these refillable travel size friendly options. So, and then you just twist the top down like that and you're ready to go. So quick and easy, really convenient and so easy to use. I've been using mine for a while now and I have one in each of my handbags, which is really cool. So I don't have to worry about transferring them from bag to bag because I change my bag when I change my outfit, you know how it is. And what's really great is that I know I can rely on these because they don't leak. A lot of the perfumes, I know from past experiences myself, if I take perfume with me in my bag, in the past I have had perfume leak all throughout my bag. It's just a big hot mess. It's something you really don't want to happen. And these have been really sturdy, really reliable. They don't leak at all. And when you do spray them, it does spray out like a really fine like mist. So it's not going to drip anywhere. You don't have to worry about it getting on anything around you. If you've got paperwork or electronics or food or anything like that, it's not going to drip and spray really wet droplets everywhere. It's just a really nice fine mist. And I find that it makes your perfume last longer and work better this way. So I think it's really great that you don't have to try and find room in your handbag. Especially these days, a lot of us modern girls, we are walking around with much smaller handbags, if any at all. The whole minimalist craze, we carry a lot less. We have a lot less cards in our wallet now. Everything is digitized. So we're pretty much only carrying a phone around or a very, very small bag. So to have something like this that you can pop into them instead of a big bulky bag to fit your big bulky perfume in, especially with luggage as well. You don't have room for that, especially if you're traveling. You want to leave space in your bag for things that you want to bring home when you're traveling, or have your luggage as light as possible to make it as easy as possible when traveling. And I just find that these are a really great size. They just fit into the palm of your hand, so they're really convenient. You can twist the top open just with one hand, just like that with my fingers. Twist it back down. You don't even have to use 2 hands, which is really cool. I just like that you can do that. It's like really cool. It's so convenient and very practical as well. They do free shipping Australia-wide, and you can save 15% off your purchase if you sign up to their newsletter online, which I think is a super awesome, great deal. So you can keep up to date with what they're doing, and they do ship very, very fast. They do ship within 1 day of you ordering. So that is great. You know, as soon as you place your order, your products are pretty much going to be on the way. These also do come with a money back guarantee, so you can rest assured that you're buying quality product. If you're not happy, they do offer a money back guarantee, but you definitely will be happy. These are the best quality refillable perfume bottles that I have ever tried, and I have tried quite a few. These are by far the most nicest looking. Their most modern matte color is just beautiful. They have the logo on the top here, which is really discreet but very, very pretty as well. They look very expensive, which I love. They don't look like cheap and nasty. They're just very, very cute, very modern, very aesthetically pleasing, and I think that would make a really great gift idea and something that every woman should have, especially in their handbag or when they go traveling. So that's it. That's my review of AE. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that. If you're interested in checking out these refillable perfume bottles, I highly recommend it. I'll have everything linked below for you to check them out, as well as the information I mentioned earlier about how you can get 15% off. Definitely worth checking out and taking advantage of that. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.